Hi everyone, welcome back to JesJen Travels. And today we are going to one of the most beautiful islands in the world, Boracay Island, Philippines. This is part 1 of our Boracay series, and today we're going to show you our flight from Manila to Kalibo Airport, the cheapest do-it-yourself way to get to Boracay Island, and how to avoid overpaying for private transfers. If you want to save money and travel smart, keep watching. So today we are flying from Manila to Kalibo Airport. We have 2 airport options when going to Boracay. One is Katiklan Airport, which is closer but usually more expensive. And the second option is via Kalibo Airport. Farther, but flights are way cheaper. So we chose Kalibo because we're doing this trip budget style. The flight time from Manila to Kalibo is around 1 hour. And if you can, just try to get a window seat because the view and landing in Kalibo is beautiful. You'll see greenery and island views from above. And once you land Kalibo Airport, that's where the real DIY or do-it-yourself travel starts. Now, listen carefully because this is important if you want to save money. When you exit Kalibo Airport, you will see many people offering, "Ma'am, transfer to Boracay, sir, private ride, or direct to Boracay." Well, actually, most of these are private transfers and they can cost much higher. So our advice is just politely ignore them, just smile and keep walking. So the cheapest way from Kalibo to Boracay is here's what you can do. So when you exit the airport, just walk straight to the front exit, then walk towards the parking lot area. Look to the right side and you will see public vans parked there. If you're unsure, just ask where is the public van to Katiklan. So you're looking for the shared public van going to Katiklan Jetty Port. The shared van cost is 300 pesos or $5 per person. That is from Kalibo Airport to Katiklan Port. Travel time is around 1.5 to 2 hours depending on the traffic. So this is the cheapest and most practical way. No need for private car unless if you have a big roof. Usually for a private car, they'll charge you like about 1,500 per person. That is a total up to Boracay Island. But if you do your DIY or that kind of transportation, for both of us, we paid 600 pesos for the van, so that's $10 for both of us, and 900 pesos for all the fees up to Boracay. So basically, we just spent like 1,500 pesos for both of us, or $25 US. That's already both of us from Kalibo Airport to Boracay Island instead of paying 1,500 or $25 each. So, fees breakdown as of now for Filipinos. Boat fee is 50 pesos, or like let's say it's about $1 or 80 cents. Terminal fee is 150. Environmental fee is 150 pesos. For foreigners, boat fee is the same, 50. Terminal fee is 150, and the difference is environmental fee. If you're a foreigner, you'll pay 300 pesos. So, important tip, if a foreigner is legally married to a Filipino, they are charged Filipino environmental rate instead of foreigner rate. So don't forget to bring ID or proof if needed. So as I mentioned, the total for everything is 900 pesos for 2 people. So that is for terminal fee, environmental fee, and boat fee from Katiklan Jetty Port to Boracay Island. That's way cheaper compared to private transfers that can go much higher. So if you're traveling solo, couple, or small group, this is the best DIY or do-it-yourself option. The boat ride from Katiklan to Boracay Island only takes around 10 to 15 minutes. Short, but exciting. So once you arrive at Boracay, you'll feel the island vibe immediately. White sand, blue water, fresh air, relaxed atmosphere, and that's when you know you made it. Honestly, doing it DIY makes the trip more exciting. You see local life, you experience the journey, you save money, and you feel proud because you do it yourself. And that's what travel is about, not just the destination, but the journey. Here we are, we've officially arrived in Boracay. We just got off the boat from Katiklan and you can already feel the island vibe. The air is fresher, the sun is brighter, and everyone looks relaxed. Now from the port, you still need a transportation going to your hotel depending on which station you're staying. So instead of taking a private tricycle or transfer, we chose the shared ride going to station 3. And guess how much? It's 25 pesos per person, that's around 40 cents. Since we are 2 people, 25 plus 25 is equals 50 pesos total. That's about 80 cents for both of us. Super affordable. Don't overpay, okay? Some drivers may offer you station 3, it's 150, or that's around $2.50 just going to station 3. Why have to pay 150 when you can pay 25 pesos? So, especially if you're traveling budget or DIY style like us, then just ask for the shared ride to station 3. Very simple. So if you're new to Boracay, let me explain quickly. Boracay has 3 main areas. Station 1, more quiet, more high-end resorts, wider beachfront, more expensive. Station 2, that's the center of everything, D-mall area, restaurants, nightlife, more crowded. Station 3, where we were staying, it's more peaceful, more budget-friendly hotels, less crowded, still beautiful white sand. So we chose Station 3 because it's quieter, it's cheaper, and we love relaxing vibes. You can still walk to Station 2 anytime if you want food or nightlife. Everything is walkable along the beach. So, important tip, the farther you go from the port, the higher the transportation fee. Going to Station 2 or Station 1 usually costs more than Station 3. So always ask first before riding, okay? Don't be shy. This is your travel budget. So, quick cost summary from port to hotel to Station 3. Shared ride, that's 25 per person, 50 pesos for 2 people, about 80 cents total, compared to 150 pesos or $2.50 private ride. So that's already 100 pesos savings immediately. Travel smart, it means more money for food and activities. And honestly, every peso saved while traveling means more seafood, more activities, and more experiences. And that's what JesJen Travels is about, helping you travel smarter, not more expensive. In part 2, we will show you the famous White Beach, sunset in Boracay, food trip, and activities you shouldn't miss. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss it. Thank you so much for watching JesJen Travels. If this video helped you, please like, comment if you've been to Boracay, share this with your travel buddy, and kindly subscribe for more budget DIY travel guides. See you in Boracay Part 2. Bye everyone!
That the place to go You know that the place to go. JesJen, the best, the best ever was, and you know. And you know that the place to go. JesJen, the best, the best ever was, and you know. And you know that the place to go. JesJen, the best, the best ever was, and you know. That the place to go. JesJen, the best, the best ever was, and you know. And you know that the place to go. JesJen, the best, the best ever was, and you know.
I'm never leaving. I just want